guys and gals, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Gearheadgirl, and today we are unboxing this HandyWeld 130 Quick Set MIG Welder by Cigweld. So go ahead and get started. Alright, so right at the top we've got our manual. All right. All right, so we've got the Cigweld welder itself, HandyWeld 130 Quick Set. And it's got the power cable you can plug into any 10 amp socket, which is really handy. Obviously this is very portable, which is really nice. And it's all ready to go. You've got a handy dandy strap. And two little bags here. But you've got the two welding tips. And the 0.8 and 0.6 for the wire spools. You can see here your close up. And the nice thing about this welder is you can do a quick set weld, or you can do manual settings as well. It can be used with gas or gasless. Here are some of the features. It's got the digital meter, no fuss settings, presets and manual as mentioned before. It's very portable, and you can do 0.6 up to 0.9 mil gasless MIG, 0.8 mil aluminum MIG, and 0.8 mil stainless steel MIG. And you can do maximum plate thickness up to 6 mils. So some recommended extras to go with your Cigweld. They also offer the welding helmets and your various different diameters of welding wire. All right, guys and gals, so that's what's in the box. If you want a tutorial on how to set everything up, Cigweld has done a very good video on that, so we'll go ahead and put the link above for you. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe, and feel free to share, comment below, and I'll catch you guys back for the next one. See ya.
Be sure to hit the subscribe button and like and comment if you enjoyed this video. If you want to be awesome and provide support for better content, click on the Patreon link in the description below. Check us out online at gearheadgirl69.com or GHG69.com, or follow us on Instagram and TikTok at gearheadgirl69.